Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio station business. For example, you have a radio station in where you can provide different facilities to your customers such as show schedules, event updates and contact support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio station business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customers instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of radio station, hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hey rockstars, welcome to Starwave FM, your non-stop station for beats, vibes and live energy. What would you like to do today? While providing me 3 different options, that is show schedule, event update and contact us. If I'll click on show schedule, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different options, that is today's schedule, weekly schedule and monthly schedule. If I'll click on today's schedule, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me all the details of today's show schedule. If I'll click on weekly schedule, then you can see it will respond to me like this. Now if I'll click on event update, then you can see it will ask me to provide an event name. So here I am giving them one event name. Here I provided one event name. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you for sharing your event name. Now please give a short description of your event. So here I am giving them one short description. Here I write it. After that you can see it will respond to me like this by my event name, that is Groove City, also providing me one order ID and one message that we'll get back to you soon. Now if I'll click on contact us, then you can see it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your customers instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your radio station business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio station business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of radio station. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of my radio station by clicking on this button and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload one image here because it found impactful and more interesting towards my customer. Now I am writing one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. While at the end of this message you can see I'll ask my customer that what would you like to do today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as show schedule. The second button I'll write as event update. And the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to know about the schedule in my radio station, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some types of schedule. Here I write it. Now I am providing them some buttons in where I can write the types. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can provide the first type as today's schedule. The second type I'll write as weekly schedule and the third type I'll write as monthly schedule. Here I write it. Now if my customer wants to know about the today's schedule, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about today's schedule. Here I write it. Now, if my customer wants to know about the weekly schedule, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am again clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about weekly schedule. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to know about the monthly schedule, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one message box where I can write all the details about monthly schedule. Here I write it. The second one is the event update. If my client wants to know about the event updates, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this action option and choose button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one question that please provide your event name. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as event. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I select the format as text. Number of attempt will be 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your customer, then you can write in this enter validation message box. After that, I am connecting the circle which are present in front of event update to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now whenever my customer will provide me their event name, then I want to know about the event description. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one question for my customer that please provide the description of your event. Here I write it. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as description. The format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my customer will provide me their event name as well as the short description of the event, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I use this dollar symbol before event because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their event name. You can see I also use this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my customer in the bold format. After that, the third one is the contact us. If my customer wants to directly contact with me, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my radio station. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your radio station business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customer like this. Even it will provide event updates, contact details and all the related information you want to share to them. You can create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your radio station businesses. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.